play at the water park. It's called Volcano Bay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hi. So we're gonna ride this ride next. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Next we're gonna do this. Hi.
Come on, get ready for it.
Let's go. Hey. Whee. Happy birthday! You guys ready to go on another ride? Yeah, let's go. We're at Volcano Bay. The wave is starting. They're excited. Yay!
I'm running on thin water.
Hi guys. And now we're gonna stop by some food. You guys hungry? Yeah, yeah. What you guys eating today? Burgers, burgers.
Really good.
It's over here. Alright guys, we're gonna play at the wave pool now for a little bit before we go back.